everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute. I haven't filmed for months, but now we're out of lockdown, so it's time to get cooking. So today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you the recipe and bake, well, not bake, this is a no bake dessert, my favorite dessert. It's called tiramisu. It's Italian and I love it. So the first thing we're gonna do is I am going to add 6 eggs, and then to my 6 eggs I'm going to bring it over to the stove because you have to cook the egg yolk. So I have some water here in a pot and it's not boiling, it's just simmering. I'm just going to slightly cook the eggs, and I'm going to add some sugar to it. So I'm just going to move the egg yolk around because it's going to be cooked, because we don't want to be eating any raw eggs today. So I'm just going to mix it around, 3/4 cups of sugar, and just mix it around. And this you're gonna be doing for at least 9 to 10 minutes. And just make sure you get all the sides and incorporate the sugar really well. And then voila, we're done. Here we go. So I'm just gonna get this out of the way here and concentrate on mixing around my egg yolk. And as I said, the glass bowl is not supposed to be touching the water, so I have a little bit of water at the bottom and the water is just simmering. So as you can see, I have it on 2. I'm just going to mix this. So the egg yolk and sugar, as you can see, it's cooked, so I'm just going to leave it here, turn off the fire. And it looks all nice and syrupy, and I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit before I add my mascarpone cheese to this mixture. So we're gonna get back to the rest of. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna grab the mascarpone cheese. It's almost like cream cheese, but it tastes a little bit different. I'm gonna put it in here. And I am going to use my thing and I'm going to break it up. Break it. And I'm going to beat 2 cups of whipping cream. So here we go, 2 cups. So right on the money, 2 cups. So get this out of the way, put this over here, and I'm gonna add it into my clean mixer, and I'm going to whip it to medium peaks. So this is done. I'm just going to let it whip a little bit. Okay, so we have to beat, as we were beating the whipping cream, to medium stiff peaks. I've got the egg yolk and sugar, and this is the mascarpone cheese. So I am going to fold in the egg yolk mixture. I'm just gonna do it a little bit at a time and fold it in. into the mascarpone cheese, because this is going to make the creamy layer of the tiramisu. So let me just fold it in. There we go. Make sure everything is incorporated, because we don't want any spots of egg yolk in it. And then we're gonna do the rest. So let me get this out of the way and just fold it, do some gentle movements. This is finished. Put this over here. Now, okay, there we go. Kneaded the mixture to make it less lumpy. Okay, so with this, I'm gonna add my favorite, vanilla. Now, some people, they put rum in it, but unfortunately I have underage children who want to eat this, so can't put any rum, so I will use my vanilla flavoring instead. But you can go ahead and add a little dark rum if you want to. Here. So it smells real nice. It's that vanilla smell. Let me take good. Okay guys, so now we're gonna do the layering. So I've got my lady fingers, and I'm going to dip on both sides. Okay, so this is the bottom layer of the tiramisu. Okay, so I'm gonna get it out of the way. And then this is my whipped cream that I whipped to medium peaks. And what you're to do next is to fold this mixture into it. So I'm gonna do a little bit at a time. Fold. Okay. Now I am going to cover it with plastic wrap, and this goes in the fridge for at least 6 hours. Well, I think my plastic wrap cutting is a disaster also too. Okay, so here we go. Cover it. There. It's covered nicely. Just gonna put that over here. Take, oh my god, I'm such a mess. And wipe up. And this goes in the fridge for 6 hours. So the time has finally come to take the tiramisu out of the refrigerator. I cannot wait to taste it. I'm going to take off my plastic wrap, and just to give it a little decoration on top, you have to add cocoa powder. So I'm just going to sprinkle some cocoa powder all over the tiramisu top. Just like they have it in the store. Excellent. Okay. So now is time for taste testing. I'm going to take a knife and slice through. Here we go. And I'm going to take my fork and lift it up. And you can just take a look at it. You can see the ladyfinger layers and the mascarpone cheese, and then the ladyfingers, and then the mascarpone cheese on top. Just gonna taste it. Delicious. This tastes just like the one I had at the Italian restaurant. Thank you guys for watching another episode of Cooking with Mama D. Don't forget to press the like button, hit the notification button, and watch all my videos. Thank you guys. See you next time.